Ozempic costs $1,000 a month in the United States. In Canada, it's around $180. In Germany, it's around $100. Same drug, wildly different prices, and here's why. And what, if anything, is actually being done about it. Welcome back. I want to give you some context that I think is essential for understanding the GLP-1 medication landscape, why these drugs cost what they do in the United States, and what forces are actually shaping that. The numbers are stark. In the US, monthly semaglutide runs approximately $900 to $1,300, depending on dose and brand. In Canada, the equivalent is roughly $150 to $200. In Germany, under $100. These aren't approximations, they're documented price differences for the same molecule. Why the difference? The US is one of the only developed countries that does not directly negotiate drug prices between the government and pharmaceutical companies at the national level. Instead, prices are negotiated between drug manufacturers, insurance companies, and pharmacy benefit managers, a complex chain where profit margins stack at multiple points, and the list price ends up dramatically inflated. So, what's being done? So what's happening on the policy front, right? There are a few things worth knowing. The Trump administration launched a program called Trump RX, aimed at negotiating cash prices directly between the government and the pharmaceutical companies, creating a direct-to-consumer cash price that bypasses traditional insurance structures. The impact on most people who get their medication through insurance is likely to be limited in the near term. Congress has signaled interest in reforming pharmacy benefit managers, who are the middlemen in the drug pricing chain who have been widely criticized for opaque pricing practices. The Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2026 included some PBM transparency requirements, though critics argue these don't go far enough. The other development to watch is the direct-to-consumer market. A growing number of companies are offering GLP-1 medications at negotiated cash prices through telehealth platforms, bypassing the traditional pharmacy system entirely. For some patients, this is creating meaningful access at lower prices, though quality and safety oversights vary. My honest assessment, meaningful broad price reduction for GLP-1 medications in the US is not imminent. The system and forces keeping prices high are entrenched and have significant lobbying power. Incremental changes are happening though. The most practical path for individual patients right now is navigating the manufacturer assistance programs, direct-to-consumer platforms, and insurance appeals, not waiting for Washington to fix it. But knowing why the system works this way matters because it helps you ask the right questions and advocate for yourself with more clarity. Before I go, if you want ongoing support from a community that actually gets it, come join my free private Facebook group. The link is in the description. We talk about all of this, the real stuff without judgment. And if you're ready to go deeper, I have a monthly group coaching program called the Real Talk Continuum. It's where we do the real work together. Nutrition, mindset, the whole picture. Details are in the description below. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. I post new content on a regular basis and I really don't want you to miss it. Until next time, goodbye.